Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the exact Microsoft account credentials tied to Minecraft. This avoids needless resets. Once done, check whether your Mojang account was migrated to Microsoft and view recent sign-in attempts so you know if access was blocked. Make sure two-factor authentication and recovery email or phone are up to date. This prevents lockout during fixes. Now, proceed to sign in on the Minecraft launcher while keeping account recovery info at hand so you can act quickly if prompted. Next, address the core sign-in flow. Update the Minecraft launcher and clear any saved credentials or browser cookies to eliminate stale tokens. When you attempt to sign in, follow Microsoft's authentication prompts precisely and accept requested permissions so the launcher can access your profile. If the process asks to link an Xbox profile, complete that step and confirm your gamer tag and privacy settings because mismatches often block multiplayer. If authorization stalls, try an alternate browser or the Microsoft Authenticator app to complete the flow. To finish, confirm your Minecraft license is visible in your Microsoft account or the Microsoft Store. This proves the migration succeeded. Launch Minecraft and test single-player and multiplayer features to ensure tokens and entitlements propagated. If you still can't sign in, reset the Microsoft account password and re-authenticate because stale credentials often cause failure. One key troubleshooting tip: use a different device or network to isolate local firewall or router issues. If that works, adjust network settings or temporarily disable conflicting VPN or security software.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.